In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in AOL Mail. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL into the search bar, then press enter to see the results. On the results page, you should see the main AOL site near the top, usually with AOL spelled out in the blue logo. If you see many similar links, focus on the one that clearly says AOL Mail or just AOL, since that is where your inbox lives. Once the search results are loaded, click the correct AOL link, and then click Sign In. This Sign In button is usually in the top right corner of the page. When you click it, the Sign In screen appears, asking for your username and password. After you finish signing in, you will land in your AOL Mail inbox, where you can see your list of emails in the center and different icons or folders on the sides. Now that you are in AOL Mail, click the Contacts icon. This looks like the silhouette of a card or two people. It can appear either on the left navigation panel or all the way on the far right panel. When you click it, a contacts panel or page opens, listing the people you have saved. This is where all your saved email addresses live, separate from your regular inbox messages. Next, scroll through your address list or use the search bar to locate the target person. If you have many contacts, scrolling might take a while, so the search bar can be faster. Type part of the name or the email address, and matching contacts will appear just below. Beginners sometimes forget to clear the search when looking for another person, so if you do not see someone later, clear the text in the search box. After you find the right entry, click directly on the contact's name to open their details. This will open a contact card view, usually on the right side, showing their name, email address, and any other saved information. Seeing the details helps you double-check that you are about to work with the correct person, especially when two contacts share a similar name. With their contact card open, click the More Options icon in the top right corner of that card. This icon looks like a three-dot kebab menu symbol. When you click it, a small drop-down menu appears right under the icon. This menu groups extra actions such as editing and deleting, so you only see them when you actually need them. Finally, click Delete Contact from the drop-down menu, then click OK on the pop-up prompt to confirm the deletion. AOL removes the contact immediately, and their name disappears from your contact list. Emails from them in your inbox stay there, but their information is no longer saved as a contact. You have now successfully deleted a contact from your AOL Mail address book, so if this helped you clean things up, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple mail tips.